As Kenya seeks to increase exports to Europe, the government is keen on meeting key international phytosanitary standards. In a bid to increase the food safety standards, the Pest Control Product Board says it has contracted experts to start evaluating over 200 pesticides that the National Assembly petitioned for a review and a possible ban for use in Kenya.
Because there are reasons why the product is banned. And we need to dig into that and find out why has it been banned. If it must be used in this locality, what mitigation strategies should we put in place? Maybe avoid misuse, avoid poisoning.
With completion of a multi-million shillings laboratory, the board says the facility will go a long way in enhancing testing of pesticides in use in Kenya. Players in the industry say constant interception of consignments destined for key export markets due to high residue levels is as a result of improper use of pesticides.
There is a use rate that is advised for each of the products, depending on what product it is, where it is supposed to be used, and it provides also prescription on how it is used and what to wear, the PPE, protection clothing, when we use that product.
They challenged the national government and counties to increase extension services to train farmers on proper use and handling of pesticides.